Okay, students, the next part is industrial pollution and environment degradation. So everyone know that because of these industries, we have to face up a lot of pollution and a lot of degradation is done to our environment. So the different pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. So firstly, air pollution. Now, what is air pollution? Air pollution is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide in our atmosphere. So where from these come from? These mainly come from the smoke emitted by the chemical factories, paper factories, and brick kilns, refineries. Also, it adversely affect the human and animal health. So the main cause of air pollution is the smoke coming out of the vehicles, factories, and all that. Next is the water pollution. So the water pollution is caused by the organic and inorganic industrial waste from industry, which is directly which is directly sent to the water bodies like rivers and lakes without the treatment, which are done without treatment and directly sent to the water bodies, and it adversely affect the human as well as the animals which are living in the water. The main industries which do water pollution of paper, pulp, chemical, textile, dyeing, petroleum, and these are mainly responsible for the water pollution. Next is thermal pollution. Now what do we mean by thermal pollution? The pollution caused by the thermal plants. Everyone know that in thermal plants electricity is made by heating water, and the steam generates the turbines, and then electricity is generated. So the hot water from the thermals, when they are directly pumped into the river bodies or water bodies without cooling, then this type of pollution is called thermal pollution. Next is noise pollution. Now what do we mean by noise pollution? Okay, the pollution which is caused by old machinery, vehicles, this is called the noise pollution, and they have a very bad effect on human. They results in irritation, anger, can cause hearing impairment, increase heart rate and blood pressure. And the next is land pollution. Now what is land pollution? The dumping of garbage on land. Okay, dumping of garbage, waste, and other toxic, which means the land contaminated, also sometimes radioactive waste were also found. So these makes the land contaminated, and this is a cause of land pollution. Now how we can control the environment degradation? So there are some methods like minimal use of water, that we should not waste water, harvesting the rainwater harvesting should be done on every house, every building, so that we can save the water. Treating hot water before releasing, treating the hot water coming out of thermal before releasing them. Smoke can be reduced by using oil instead of coal in industries, like in industry in which coal is used, there oil or gas should be used so that to lesser the amount of smoke. Okay, next, machinery should be redesigned. Why? To increase the efficiency as well as to reduce the noise. Also we can control the air pollution by fitting stacks. There are some stacks like things, smoke stacks, so that to to less the smoke, and also to reduce the air pollution. Okay students, here the chapter is finished. Okay, have a